Hi and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be implementing the ON log n solution which we discussed in the previous video. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, we said it's really a 4-liner of code, so we're checking if s.size is not equal to the t of size. So if they're not the same size, then we simply return false. And then we're going to be, okay, sort s.begin, s.end, and then sort t.begin, t.end. Now you might be wondering, we already discussed the sort function several times, but does sort function really support s? And the answer is surprisingly yes. In fact, sort function supports any class which has which overloads the operator less than. So if you can somehow overload this operator, then you basically can use the sort function. And indeed, you can, if you've ever tried it, you can say that if s is less than t, right? Or if, begin, okay. So if you can easily do if si is less than tj, right? We always do that if a letter is less than the other letter. So the sorting here is actually very well defined, and it won't throw us any random errors. And that's really the beauty of C++, as we discussed. The idea of iterators, as long as you have iterators and you're supporting the overloaded operators that the function needs, then it's perfectly fine and legible to use the function. So just with literally one line, we've sorted s and t, which is cool. And then finally we said just return s is equal to t. So let's check if the code runs. Hopefully we don't have any errors or anything. Oh, we do. Oh, we added an extra equal. There is no s equal t. This is not JavaScript. Okay. So let's try judging, and we get true. So let's try submitting our solution, see if we get any problems. Hopefully we don't, and we get an accepted. So finally for the first time, we've gotten an accepted solution, which literally just is a few lines of code. So yeah, you can see here we're somewhere behind, and I would guess that this area over here is where most ON solutions are, the linear time solutions, which we will be discussing. So hopefully you found that I think this solution is quite interesting. The fact it's very short, very optimized, and anyone can write it down in just a few lines of code. So yeah, in the next video we're going to be discussing the final optimized version, which is an ON solution that runs in ON time and uses the hash table. So until the next video, happy coding.